Thau ka Voice of the People Party yak isi hapo Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council hapo pacing yalam jong u ba strong pilar kharjana kup u chairman badai naka maukar pentor omkra constituency bat ubai chairman pade kenjok lang rangtong badai napo mauhati constituency bat ya uba serbol lang renja kum UCM nani chief executive member jong ke district council ubadai na lang kerdam lek kro constituency bat ki executive member kilong kumne ba powel soklet ubadai na ka pariyong mauthat risan constituency ba sebol lang warba napo mau kenro constituency nang ta uba isnai hings na omroy constituency uba penkrau kerjarin na mau kerwat constituency nang ta ikong ai ban daplin el nong lai na melim constituency bat ikong deiti majau na malki pentol omkra constituency bat uba Winston Tony Lendo na nong thamai constituency kini kilong KM jong ka isi ke thamai ha district council bat ba phala kalong ba menta ka kenti omdon deputy CM po district council kadau kalong ba nakaliang parti kam kuak ban penserwakai ya kapisa ke jong upai ba kani kalong kot kemukerwo na presiden rang ba jong ka Voice of the People Party